Right, good evening. My name is Josh, and I am going to um, demonstrate how to use algebra tiles to solve equations for x. Um, so for the first one, we're going to start with the first one. So for each side, you want to model the equation with the tiles. So we have 2x minus 4. So we're going to go like this. We got 2x and then minus 4. So use the minus ones. 4, perfect. And over here we have 8. Perfect, 8. So we want to get the x, isolate x on one side, so to get rid of the minus 4, we have to add 4. So we are going to do that here, and we're going to add 4. Perfect, and then the same thing's got to happen on this side. So there's 4, 4. Perfect, look at that. All right, so now, this part, always forget this part. So we are going to add 4. Which means we are going to 0 pair these guys out. And that's all we can do for now. So the next step in this equation is and that leaves us with 2x equals 8 plus 4 is 12. Correct. Okay. So now to solve this, we just need to divide this evenly. So we'll put in a line right through the middle here, and we will move. So we have xx, and we have to make sure we got 6 on each side, right? 6, 6. So the answer here is going to be x equals 6. Okay, moving on. So x plus 10 equals 2x. So we'll start by putting our stuff in there. X, and that's plus 10. Yep, and we're going to add. Okay, it's just throwing me off. I had to do it like this. Sorry. X plus 10. So x plus 10 equals 2x. Now we can go like that, and we can just literally 2x. Easy as done. So let's get the x's on one side first. So we're going to subtract x first. And to do that, we have to put in a negative x on both sides. So that will cancel that one, and we will cancel that one. So now we're left with, x on that side equals 10. Look at that. That's a super easy one. We are moving on to the next one. The first video I made of this, just a FYI, was too long to be put on YouTube, so I have to redo it. Alright, so the next one is 2x plus 3 equals x minus 5. So let's build that. Two x's that are both positive, so we can put that in here and go like this. Perfect. And then 3. The other side is just an x and minus 5 of these. Perfect. So we have less x's on this side, so we're going to move this x over to here. So we're going to subtract x to start. And to do that, we have to also do that on this side. So that cancels and that cancels, and we are left with an x plus 3 because we subtracted x. equals -5, right? So now we get to get rid of these 3's, so what are we going to do? Well, we are going to subtract 3 from both sides. So, to subtract 3 from both sides, we have to, at least from this side, we have to add these -1's, subtracting 3. Yeah, so we got the 3 there, and then here we got 3. Look at that. Here we go. So, now if we go to our equation, we can 0 pair some of these. Look at that. And then there's no 0 pairs on that side. So what you're left with is x equals our answer of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right. We're halfway there. This is a lot faster than the first video, I promise. We have 7x minus 4 equals 6x plus 12. So let's get these 7x's in here. 7x. And then get these minus 4's in there. And the other side is a the other side is going to be 6x plus 12. So get these 6x's in there. And then we get these 12's in here. Okay, 6x plus 12, 7x minus 4. Well, again, I'm going to start by subtracting the 6x's. So we're going to do minus 6x from both sides. And to do that, we simply have to do negative x's. So we're going to get a bunch of these in here. Yeah. And we're going to go like this, and we're going to put 6 of them. Okay, and then we have to do the same thing to this side, right? So let's get these ones in place. And we're going to go 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6. So now we will get rid of our 0 pairs, which should be all of our x's on the right side. And on the left side, it should leave us with 1, I want to say. Perfect. Leaves us with 1. So we're left with on our equation x minus 4 equals 12. Now, we got to get rid of the minus 4, so to do that, we have to add 4 to both sides. Sides. And we are going to end up, so then now our 0 pairs are here. No 0 pairs there. We are left with an answer of x equals 16. And on the last 2 problems here, it's going to get faster. So 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 3. I crooked my neck and it really hurts. I apologize. We have to set it up. So 4x sets up first, right? 4x minus 2. The other side is 2x plus 3. 4x minus 2, 2x plus 3. So we want to move. I want to start by moving this 2x over to that side because I don't want to have deal with negative x's. So 2x is going to move over there. We got, so to do that we need to add some of these in here, right? So we have to subtract 2x's from both sides. And we do that by adding in a negative x algebra tile. Look at that, 2. So now, if we go to this, so just to write down what we're doing because I think it's important. Well, the guy in the video I watched thinks it's important. And I agree. So that's where we're at. So our 0 pairs, we got, look at that, that gets rid of that, and we got that to get rid of that. Look at that. Look at us go. Killing it. So back to this, we have 4 minus 2, we have 2x minus 2 equals 3. Well, to get rid of this minus 2, we have to add 2. And we have to do that to both sides. And we are going to get perfect. So now we end up with a 0 pair and a 0 pair. So now we have 2 x's and 5 1s on the one side. So in order to split this up, we have to get a, so we have to split these x's in respective, split this into 2 equal groups. So we'll put a line through the middle here, boom. And then we will split the things. So we'll put x on one side, x down there, and then we got 2 of them on here, 2 of them down here, and now, oh no, what do? We take this and we can split it. And then we're going to grab oh no, I don't know what I'm doing, so we're going to delete that and we're just going to add a new one quick. I'm running out of time, I gotta hurry up. But this we can split into 2. Perfect. And then 2. So the answer is x equals 2.5. So down here we got 2x equals 5. So x equals 2.5. And then the last one we have like a minute. 2x plus 6, 3x minus 4. So we're going to go 2x, 6, and 3x. X plus 6. Okay, and minus 4 over here. So now I want to get rid of the 2x because it's smaller, so we're going to subtract 2x to start with. So to do that, we got to put these. We got to use a negative x algebra tile, and like that. Same thing over here. This one's going to be rushed, and I apologize because I have a minute. So 0 paired, 0 paired, 0 paired, and 0 paired. We're left with x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 equals x minus 4. So we want to add 4 now. So to add 4, we have to add 4 to both sides. We're adding 4 to both sides. Now we have 0 pairs. And we are left with our answer of x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.